back in Bryan, and today for you guys we are going to a museum in Bangalore, a science museum, and hope you guys like it. So let's go on. Come on guys. So we are on the way to the museum and it is pretty beautiful, these trees and all, and it's giving us some good shade. So we will be there in another 4 to 5 minutes. So I'll see you guys there. And yeah. So guys, we're going to enter the museum hall. So yeah, come. So guys, this is a one part of a machine that balls can come, and like, so there'll be like these shafts. Can you see here? So these shafts will pick up the ball and it will make it go up. So after I keep on pushing it, see, you can see some balls going upside. See, there's a ball coming down. So like they can come. And if you come over here, you can see how does it work. So you can see the shaft over here. So it comes and it picks it up. So after it picks it up, you keep on spinning it and it will go up and land. So it's very interesting. So you can also come and join. You can also come here and experiment all these stuff, and yeah. So this is a Rolls-Royce jet engine. It was made in 1950 and to 1974. So this is a 1916 wagon. I might have not pronounced it correct, but please correct me in the comments. So this is actually, I think so, it is a train, and they have kept it here for show, and it's pretty nice to see this old stuff, and it's cool. So guys, I'm going to open the museum, so let's go. And this is the first way to open it's like a key mechanism. So this is the first key mechanism even made. Gosh, my hand. So guys, this is the end of first floor. So now we're going to go to second floor. Come on. Now, see, you just have to rotate it like this, put it inside, then Appa, you start. Will this break? So this is a science area. We just finished the electronics, so we're going to go to science. So guys, this is a space area. So whatever space things are there, we can see it in here. Come. So this is a rocket, and I'm going to shoot the button. rover which goes on Mars and takes like things and these all rocks. Oh no. So this is SLEV-3. So this was when the rover was dispatched into the solar system. So guys, that's the end of this museum, and hope you guys liked it. And we are all tired because it is 4 floors, so we have to go on time and do the video. So yeah, and I bought this small plane which we can assemble, as you can see here. So yeah, I'll show this how do you assemble in the next video. And can you see this jet? It's actually a real one, but they have like prototype it. So yes, this will be the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.